Class 6, we are continuing with the chapter percentage. This is sum number 20 of exercise 39. In an examination, 34% students failed in arithmetic and 42% failed in algebra. If 20% failed in both, that means arithmetic as well as algebra, both are part of maths, find the percentage of students passed in both the subject. So here I will be drawing one diagram. Just follow that. Suppose these circle means they include the students who have failed in arithmetic. So that is 34%. And there are students who have failed in algebra. That is 42%. And students who have failed both in arith and algebra means they have failed in arith as well as in algebra, means they are in the common portion. Now this is equal to 20%. See, if you see the circle, this is the arithmetic part and this is the circle representing algebra. So this is the common portion that falls in both these circles. So these are representing the students who have failed in both the subject. Now we have to completely a different picture is given. It is given how many students or what percentage of students have failed in arith, what percentage have failed in algebra. And some of the students, that is 20% of the student, have failed in both the subject. So how will we find out? Our first thing will be to find out how many students have failed only in arithmetic. Now this 34%, it includes all the students who have failed in arithmetic. Those who have only failed in arith and those who have failed in arith as well as algebra, they have also failed in arith. So 34% means the total students who have failed in arith, whether they have failed in only one portion or whether they have failed in both the portions. So we will find percentage failed only in arithmetic portion. And how will I find that? Total who failed in arithmetic is 34%. If the total class means 100%, 34% of the students have failed in arith. From here, if I subtract 20%, that means those who have failed in both arith as well as algebra, they are included over here. So the answer will be 14%. So 14% of the class exclusively failed only in arithmetic part, and 34% means totally how many have failed in arith, whether only arith or whether in both arith and algebra, it includes everything. That is why we are subtracting 20%, because we are subtracting those students who have failed in both the subject. Then only we can get only how many, what is the percentage failed in arith. Similarly, if I want to find percentage failed only in algebra, now total percentage failed in algebra is 42. Now it includes those who have failed only in algebra as well as those who have failed in both arith and algebra, because they have failed in algebra too. So the totality is 42%. So from this 42%, if we subtract those who have failed in both, we will get exclusively the percentage of students who have failed in only algebra. So 22% is only algebra failed. 14% means students who failed only in arith. And lastly, we know the percentage of students failed in both, that is 20%. So now, if failed in arithmetic is 14%, failed in algebra only is 22%, and failed in both is 20%. If I add it up, then we can find how many or what is the percentage of student fail. So I am writing over here percentage of student failed is equal to 14 plus 22 plus 20%. That is equal to 42, 46, 56% of the student failed in all. So now we have to find what is the percentage of students who have passed in both the subject. That means if 100% is the total student, because totality is always known as 100%. From there, if I subtract the percentage who have failed, I will get the percentage of students passed in both the subject. So therefore, at the end, percentage student passed in both subject will be equal to 100 minus 56. That is equal to 44%. So this is the answer. How many or what is the percentage of students who have actually passed in both the subject is 44%. So this is the answer to the question number 20. Now after doing this sum, you have to practice sum number 32 at home. That will be your homework. The same type of question number 32.